Hey you guys, I'm just gonna run right through this and do a tutorial on how to actually wear my mask. Okay, and so it'll come to you just like this. Fold it, fold it. All right, and so the way it's put on there is that it's just one tie and it goes around your whole head. There's no tying, there's no wrapping it around your ears, none of that. So far with any mask that I've had, this has shown to be the most comfortable for me to wear for a long period of time during the day. So there's a metal clasp that's in here at the top of the mask. You want to take that and clamp it to your nose. You want it to form to your nose so that it fits your nose perfectly. Let me show you. So as I said before, this just goes over your whole head, okay? There's no tying, there's no buttoning, there's no wrapping anything around your ears. Okay? For me, if you got long hair, if you wearing a hairpiece, whatever. You want to put your hair in between both of them, both of the elastic, and either you can pull it at the top of your head like that, or you can just pull it up halfway like I normally do. So on the sides, boom. You want to, stretch that out, make it fit your face comfortably so that it works for you perfectly. Okay, now if the elastic is too tight, you want to pull it up. The higher you pull it up, the looser it'll get, okay? And then if you want it tighter, pull it down. So halfway down the back of your head is about the tightest it's going to get. In which I make mine in the standard form. And so typically it works for everybody. Unless you know that your head is huge, bigger than the average person, then we'll make that adjustment to make the elastic a little longer. And so you have a choice. Either you can, the one on the bottom of your neck, you can either pull it down further on your neck or pull it all the way up. Either way. For me, as I said before, I like mine's halfway up in the back of my head so that it closes everything off and everything fits perfectly and it fits my face like a glove. Like there's no getting in there. You know what I'm saying? And so it's real simple. I can understand how it could get, how people can end up putting it on incorrectly. But yeah, play around with it and make it work for you and make it work for your head shape. And so other than that, we're good to go. Perfection. Okay. No falling off, no coming down, none of that. You don't even got to take it down to talk. You can talk, with it still being up, and you shouldn't have any issues. All right, you guys. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to always hit my inbox. Bye.